Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw an isometric projection of a pentagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm and axis of 60 mm, resting on its base on HP, with one of its base side parallel to VP and nearer to the observer. So this is from NCERT. Now if you see pyramid resting on its base on HP with one of its sides parallel to VP. So we'll draw HP VP. Then this is how pentagon will come, because they have said one side is parallel to VP, it is resting on its base, and one side of the base is parallel to VP, this is VP, and it is nearer to the observer, so it is like this. So this is how pentagonal pyramid will look like. Now this is our helping figure. So first we will draw isometric scale. All of you know how to draw 45-30 and mark distance. After marking the distance, you draw a vertical line on that 30-degree line. So that will be isometric scale. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 30 degree. This is 45 degree. Now this is 60, and if I want to mark 30, I can take 0 to 30 or 20 to 10. Now first we'll draw pentagon. So we'll take side and we'll cut 30 on it and we'll draw pentagon. All of you know how to draw pentagon. We are doing it by 54-degree method. See, whenever that 54-degree lines will intersect, from there we can draw a circle passing through those points, and then we'll take side. Remember, we'll take side and we'll cut one on right side, one on left side, and the middle one we can draw directly from the center point. So this way we have completed the pentagon. Now after completing this pentagon, we'll convert this into a box 1, 2, 3, 4, and this pentagon is A, B, C, D, E. Now in this case we will join all this A, B, C, D points with the center point O. Now this is how the helping figure will look like. Then we'll convert this into a box. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You draw a horizontal line, we'll draw 30-30 and we'll start with the box. Now I'll take 1 to 2 and I'll cut here. Same way, see, generally people they cut directly same thing on the other side, but make sure 1 to 4 is different, it is not same. So take 1 to 4 and cut. Then you draw a vertical line and you mark height 60. Then you complete the box. After drawing this, we'll mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see this. I'll take 2 to B and I'll cut here. Same will be from 1 to A. It will be same distance. Same way you take 2 to C. You cut here. Same will be from 1 to E. Then you have 3 to D. So this is how you'll get 5 points. But now the problem is we need all these points on the bottom one. So whenever you're doing pyramid, make sure that you draw the bottom one, bottom box, the same 1, 2, 3, 4, and you mark points on that box. I did this because we were used to doing prism up till now, so I just showed you. But in future, whenever you have such kind of sums, you draw the bottom one, 1, 2, 3, 4 box, and then you mark all the points. Now what I'm doing, I'm just transferring the point. So you got pentagon. Now we join all these points. You draw light first because we don't know which one will be dark, which one will be dotted. After that you mark M and N, that is center. So you take M, you cut on the one, from 1 you cut, you'll get M. Then you draw a line inside and you mark point N, point O, but the distance will be N. So you got point O. Now what we'll do, we'll try and draw extreme boundary first. See, this is A, B, C, D, E, right? All these lines will be joining to O. We'll be joining all these lines to O, like say OD, OE. Base will be also dark. Now when I'm drawing, OB is dark. I can't draw OC because it is inside. It will be dotted. OA will be dark. And AE will be dark. So this way, this is our final figure. OC you can draw, but it will be dotted if you want to draw. And in isometric, we don't draw dotted line. Now we need to draw axis. So how much you have to go down? You have to go down by 60. We'll take this height. Remember, all these dimensions are isometric projection. They are not original 60, okay? Now we draw axis. And you can draw axis here also. So this is how it will come. This is X. And we can write isometric projection. And we can show dimension. So I hope all of you have understood this. Thank you.